AWS-specific security issues involves exploring three key areas: S3 bucket misconfigurations, IAM role vulnerabilities, and the challenges in securing serverless architectures. Quick reminder, I am your host, John the Risk Taker Doe, and this is our second topic in my security training series. For this topic, I'll provide a real-world example of a data breach resulting from an exposed S3 bucket. So let's get this party started. S3 bucket misconfigurations. S3 buckets are often misconfigured to be publicly accessible, either through oversight or misunderstanding of AWS permission settings. This can lead to unauthorized access and data breaches. Some common mistakes are setting the bucket to public, improper use of bucket policies, or unintentionally granting broad access with access control lists, ACLs. When it comes to prevention, regularly auditing S3 buckets using tools like AWS config, employing bucket policies that restrict public access, and using Amazon Macie for identifying sensitive data and ensuring it's properly secured. IAM role vulnerabilities. A typical issue is that IAM, identity and access management roles in AWS, need careful management to avoid excessive permissions, which can be exploited if credentials are compromised. Some common vulnerabilities include an overly permissive roles, not regularly rotating keys, and not using conditions in IAM policies to restrict usage. Some ways to get on the road to prevention include implementing the principle of least privilege, regularly reviewing and updating IAM policies, and using AWS IAM Access Analyzer to identify roles granting external access. Challenges in securing serverless architectures. Serverless architectures, like those built using AWS Lambda, introduce unique security concerns due to their stateless, ephemeral nature and the reliance on multiple managed services. Some challenges in securing serverless functions against injection attacks, managing IAM roles for each function correctly, and ensuring the security of the event sources triggering these functions. When it comes to prevention, writing secure application code, limiting function privileges, using AWS Lambda layers for shared components, and monitoring function execution with AWS CloudTrail and AWS X-Ray. Real-world example, Capital One data breach, 2019. The incident in July 2019 involves Capital One. This huge banking firm experienced a major data breach involving the exposure of over 100 million customers' personal information. The cause for this breach was primarily due to a misconfigured AWS S3 bucket, which was accessed by a former Amazon employee. The attacker exploited a misconfigured web application firewall to gain access to the S3 bucket. The consequences of this breach led to the exposure of sensitive data, including names, addresses, credit scores, and social security numbers. In addition, Capital One faced significant legal and reputational repercussions. Some lessons learned is this incident highlighted the importance of proper configuration and security practices in AWS environments, particularly around S3 buckets and IAM roles. It underscored the need for continuous security monitoring and robust incident response plans. This example and the outlined AWS-specific issues emphasize the importance of meticulous configuration management, continuous monitoring, and adherence to security best practices in the AWS cloud environment. If you like what you see and would like to learn more about who we are, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In addition, you can also find us at silentsecurity.net. Now on to the next show.